not your boyfriend. Kung gusto jud lang na magkuyanta, sige i-replay lang ning kanta paminawa. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
Here we go.
Here we go. I'm with Aaron and Jen.
Hello.
And Aaron is driving. Yeah, you can. We're going to Apple to see the baby. I'm so excited because I only see the baby in Instagram and like that. So hi, we're here now. And this girl, look at the OOTD of that girl. She's so cute. She's like a Japanese or Korean or she's like that. But yeah, we're here. We're here.
Ayun, ibalik na po.
Hi mga mga besh. Hi besh.
Hi Liam, it's me again.
Hi. Hello baby.
Hey.
That's so cute. You're so cute.
Hi, you look like a girl now.
You're so cute.
Yeah. How many days do you work at concierge?
Don't know. Like,
Oh.
They just
I did 5
Oh.
Oh, cranky now. Cranky. More food. She's vicious when it comes to food.
Oh, that's so cute.
Just like mommy.
Yeah.
Smile.
No, not anymore.
Oh, my cute. How do you say her name?
Priya.
Priya. Ah, Priya.
The warrior princess.
Hi, Priya.
Priya.
The nickname should be Pray. Hi, Pray. Like
Pri.
Pri. Pri.
We call her Pri.
Pri.
Piri. Nando's
Piri Nando's chicken.
Sorry, mommy, to bully, isn't she?
Better than peanut.
I know.
Peanut.
Don't call her Peanut anymore. No, because look at her. She's a big peanut. You're a walnut. Hey. Oh, she's
She looks
getting
like
annoyed
you'll
now.
be a
Okay, but
solely what?
I would never get sick playing. I haven't looked after baby for like 4 years.
She's so
Yeah.
cute.
I looked after my cousin. You know, he's like 16 now, or 17 now. His school is next year. Holy crap.
And later you do it again.
Bye. Bye.
Where to now?
We're going to ROBINA. I'm getting the wonton, laksa, and yes, here is wok.
Where do you want to eat? At Bangkad.
Yeah, magatbang ta. So we're here at the food court. Here is fine. Oh, no.
Sorry, is this one taken?
You can sit there. You can have this one if you like. I'll sit in the corner where we be.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hi guys, this is probably my favorite shop. Like, it's a stationery shop, but it's all just cute stuff in here. Like, seriously, this is so cute. This is my color, like literally this is my color. Fall in love with your life. Like that's so cute. Like fall in love with life. That's so cute. This is so cute.
And we can personalize as well.
Oh really?
You can
That's cute.
monogram like that. Like monogram, you can put your initials.
Oh, that's so cute.
Nakakakaba, nakakaaliw, nakakakilig, nakakabaliw, napapaganda, napapaisip, napapangiti, nakakabaliw.
One for Christmas is you. So she asked me a while ago what I want for Christmas, and I answered you. Char. Like, and then she said, you have me all the time. Friendship goals. Dub, best dub. Dub.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
She's having a hard time. We're in a Nike shop right now. This is really, really cute. I like this. This is so cute. I like that one, but she liked it. That one. It's $200, guys. Yeah, 200 is around like 8,000 pesos. So yeah. I already like ordered something like this, but it's not Nike. The brand is Glamorous because I don't have any sneaker. So yeah, I think I'll go with this one. You comment down below. This is $210. Original Nike. Ini tag 500 ha. Just one ha. Pilit-pilit na Nike. Tinuod ni. And then this one is new release. It's more expensive. It's $240, but I like this. Actually I like them more. So you might as get two. Just like the bag, right? Oh, that's cute. Oh my god, that's cute.
But the orange thing is so loud.
Yeah, it's so light.
So loud.
Yes, I know, but this is really, really cute. If it's not orange, I would choose this one. Like seriously, this is so cute. I'm vlogging. You're not vlogging now.
I'm enjoying this time with you.
Oh, really? Ganina rin kita ba? Cheesy. She's having a hard time now. But she's holding the two. This is not sponsored by Nike, okay? It's so comfy though. My god. Hi everyone, just buying a ring again.
Again.
We're at Pandora. It's so cute. What she got? She got like the princess one. This one. It's so cute, right? For the sake of the vlog. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, wait lang, it's blurry. Wait lang. Will you marry me?
Marry for myself.
That's like princess. Oh, you get that one.
Okay, I'll get this too. Okay.
So she got no next time. So this one, she got that one. It's $69, and then she got this one as well, which is $59. So she got two. So yeah, Pandora. I'm gonna get another. I'm gonna get for myself next time, maybe Christmas or something like that ish. Okay, it's so cute. Okay guys, we're gonna watch Bad Moms. We're still here at ROBINA Town Center.
I'm trying to walk with like I'm just trying to avoid the gaps.
Struggling.
No.
Struggle is real. But yes guys,
Avoid the gaps because my
yeah. So we're gonna watch Bad Moms, and I'm not sure if I can vlog after that because my my battery is blinking. I'm sorry very much, but yes, thank you. Sorry very much. So yes, we're gonna watch now, and I might end this vlog here. Thank you all guys for watching, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.